Hey there folks, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy and delicious hamburger steak with onion gravy. This dish is a classic comfort food that's sure to please everyone at the table. Perfect for beginners, and it's something you can whip up with ingredients you probably have on hand. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. It's always a good idea to have everything ready before you start cooking. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 egg. These will form the base of our hamburger steaks. Add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce for that umami flavor, 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder to enhance the taste. Don't forget 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper for a bit of spice, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil for frying. You'll also need 1 cup of thinly sliced onion. The onions will add sweetness and depth to our gravy. For the gravy, we'll use 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to thicken it up. 1 cup of beef broth will give our gravy a rich, savory base. And 1 tablespoon of cooking sherry will add a touch of sophistication to the flavor. Finally, another 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt to balance everything out. Start by mixing the ground beef, breadcrumbs, egg, Worcestershire sauce, seasoned salt, onion powder, and pepper in a large bowl. Use your hands to combine everything thoroughly. Make sure everything is combined well. The mixture should be uniform and hold together nicely. Now form that mixture into 8 balls and flatten them into patties. Try to make them even in size so they cook uniformly. Next, heat up a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the patties. Add your patties and onions and fry them until they're nicely browned, about 4 minutes per side. The onions should start to caramelize and become tender. Once done, transfer the patties to a plate and keep them warm. You can cover them with foil to retain the heat. Now we're making the gravy. This is where all those delicious flavors come together. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour over the onions and drippings in the skillet. This will help thicken the gravy. Stir with a fork, scraping those tasty bits of beef from the bottom of the skillet. These bits are packed with flavor. Gradually mix in 1 cup of beef broth and 1 tablespoon of cooking sherry. Pour slowly and keep stirring to avoid lumps. Season with another 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Taste and adjust if needed. Let it simmer and stir over medium-low heat until the gravy thickens, which should take about 5 minutes. Keep an eye on it and stir occasionally. Reduce the heat to low and return the patties to the skillet. Nestle them into the gravy so they soak up all that flavor. Cover and let them simmer until they're cooked through, which should take about 15 minutes. This will also allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. And there you have it, a hearty and comforting meal that's perfect for any night of the week. Delicious hamburger steak with onion gravy. The patties are juicy, and the gravy is rich and flavorful. Serve it up with hot rice or potatoes for an easy and satisfying dinner. It pairs wonderfully with a side of steamed vegetables or a fresh salad. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Happy cooking!